For Prostar National Event, top fuel win ever. Congratulations, great pass.
Thank you.
As a matter of fact, they had to actually get away. This is it. It was Bobby Roy winning every whole shot.
Power's on. 719. Right here, Mark.
It was close, Bobby. It was close. Good run, Dave.
You did it, partner.
Thank you.
Good pass, good pass.
What a cap to a stunning weekend.
724, 181.
What a cap to a stunning weekend. This is a fairy tale weekend. It usually doesn't happen like this, but I'll take it.
Yeah, it was a great run. The weekend brought you in teen passes. I believe you had a 714, was it, this week? And to cap it off with this, it's a great effort.
It's not worth it unless you win. It makes it all worthwhile.
Well,
We had a good run going.
well, congratulations to both you and John Sands and on the world's quickest Honda.
Thank you very much.